Once upon a time in the heart of the African savanna, lived two majestic lions, Zar and Rafik. Both were strong, fearless, and proud rulers of their lands. They were known far and wide, not only for their strength but also for their majestic golden manes that glowed under the sun. But while they looked alike, their hearts were very different. Zar lived deep inside a lush green forest. He was wise, calm, and thoughtful. Animals respected him not just because of his roar, but because of his kindness and justice. Every morning, Zar would sit quietly by a fallen log, watching the sunrise, thinking deeply. He believed that a true king leads with his mind first, then his strength. He didn't waste his energy on unnecessary fights. Instead, he helped the weak, protected the young, and kept peace in the forest. Two cows named Nina and Mira lived in Zar's forest. They were best friends since childhood. Nina was calm and thoughtful like Zar, while Mira was playful and talkative. Both admired Zar and felt safe under his leadership. They would often graze peacefully, talk about the weather, and laugh under the shade of big trees. Animals came to Zar for advice, from elephants to monkeys. They trusted him because he always listened and never judged. Nina and Mira once got into a small argument about a patch of grass, but instead of fighting, they went to Zar. He simply smiled and said, "Grass grows again, but friendships take time to grow. Protect them." That one line made both cows realize the power of peace and understanding. On the other hand, Rafik ruled the land near the wide river. He was proud, loud, and always ready to fight. He believed that power came only from fear. He would roar day and night just to show he was strong. He often chased animals away, even when they hadn't done anything wrong. The other creatures were afraid of him, not because they respected him, but because they feared his anger. Rafik loved showing off his teeth and mane in the river's reflection. He thought, a king must be feared, not loved. But deep inside, Rafik was lonely. No animal dared come near him unless they had to. One summer, a terrible drought came. The rivers dried up, the grass turned yellow, and food became scarce. Animals started to panic. In Zar's forest, a meeting was called. "We must save water. We must share. If we stay together, we survive together," Zar said. All the animals, including Nina and Mira, agreed. They took turns at the small water hole. Even the strongest waited patiently. No one was left thirsty or hungry. Mira even shared her water with a young deer. "It's not just survival," Nina said. "It's about kindness." Meanwhile, Rafik roared louder than ever. "This water is mine. I am the king," he shouted. He chased away zebras, antelopes, and birds. Soon, no one came near him. But days passed, and Rafik grew weaker. No food. No company. Just silence. One day, Rafik wandered into the forest, weak and tired. He saw animals drinking calmly, living in harmony. He was surprised to see even cows and deer living without fear. Zar saw him and walked toward him. "Brother, you look tired. Come, drink," Zar said kindly. "Why would you help me?" Rafik asked. "Because a lion doesn't rule by fear," Zar replied. "He leads with wisdom. Even kings need help sometimes." Rafik was silent. Tears rolled down his eyes. For the first time, someone had shown him kindness instead of fear. Nina and Mira, who were watching from behind the trees, slowly came forward and offered Rafik some grass and cool water. Rafik looked at them in awe. "You're not afraid of me?" he asked. "We used to be," Mira said honestly, "but if Zar trusts you, we can too." From that day, Rafik stayed in the forest and learned from Zar. He saw how animals helped each other, laughed together, and solved problems with wisdom. Rafik changed. He became calmer, more thoughtful. One day, he helped a thirsty bird reach the water. Another day, he stood in silence under the tree where Mira and Nina rested, listening to their laughter. The animals started coming near him, not out of fear, but with trust. Soon, Rafik's land near the river also became a peaceful place. Animals returned. Water was shared. Life bloomed again. True strength lies not in showing power, but in showing wisdom and kindness. A real leader doesn't roar the loudest, he listens, learns, and leads with love. And just like grass grows back after a drought, broken hearts can heal too, with patience, peace, and friendship.